AEC's macro automation, overlay, or injection tools, e.g. AutoHotkey, AutoIt, RTSS, reshade, debuggers, etc. The proper fix is removing or fully closing the conflicting software before launch, not bypassing. Step-by-step fix, do in order. Number 1, hard close AHK and macro utilities. 1. Exit all AHK scripts, right-click tray exit. 2. Task Manager, Details tab, AutoHotkey.exe, your compiled script names, end task. 3. Unload similar tools if installed, AutoIt, Pullovers Macro Creator, Razor Synapse macros, Logitech G Hub, macro assignments, Corsair IQ, Steels GG, disable macros recorders, MSI Afterburner, Riva Tuner, RTSS, Reshade, Process Hacker, Cheat Engine HXD, Debuggers, IDA X64 DBG, Overlays, Discord, Steam Overlay, NVIDIA GeForce Experience, AMD Relive, Xbox Game Bar. Open quote, tip, even if you're not using them, if they run in the background, the anti-cheat can still block the game. Close quote. Number 2, disable overlays. Steam settings, in-game disable Steam overlay. Discord settings, game overlay off. GeForce Experience settings, in-game overlay off. Xbox Game Bar Windows settings, gaming off. 3, clean boot, one-time test. 1, WinRAR msconfig services, check. Hide all Microsoft services, disable all, re-enable later as needed. 2, startup tab, open task manager, disable everything non-essential. 3, reboot, launch Battlefield 6. If it works here, a disabled app was the culprit. Re-enable items in batches to find it. 4, repair EA anti-cheat in the game. Go to your BF6 install folder, installer EA anti-cheat, or run eaanticheat.installer.exe, repair. In EA app/Steam, library, Battlefield 6, repair, verify game files. Reboot and try again. Number 5, remove leftover AHK starts. Check Startup, Task Manager, Startup tab, disable any AHK auto launchers. Check Task Scheduler for scripts. Task Scheduler library, disable any user AHK tasks. Check Shell Startup, Run Box for AHK shortcuts. Delete them. Number 6, whitelist, don't block the game. Windows Security, Virus and Threat Protection, Manage Settings, add an exclusion for the BF6 folder and EA Anti-Cheat folder. Ensure your firewall isn't blocking EA services. No overly aggressive block unknown rules. Number 7, update Windows and GPU driver. Windows Update, up to date. Update NVIDIA AMD driver, clean install recommended. 8, reinstall AutoHotkey only if you need it for other apps. And if you must keep AHK for daily use, do not run it while gaming. Avoid global hooks macros bound to game windows. The safest policy is AHK completely closed before starting BF6. One-click pre-launch cleaner, safe. Use this optional batch to close common blockers before you open the game. Save as bf6cleanup.bat and run as administrator. You can pin it. You can see the code in our conversation history. Open quote. This doesn't bypass anti-cheat. It just shuts down software that triggers the error. Close quote. If it still fails, rerun eaanticheat.installer.exe, uninstall then install. Ensure secure boot is enabled in BIOS on some systems. EAAC sometimes prefers standard kernel integrity settings. Confirm no virtual input device is active, e.g. VJoy, VGem drivers during play, SEO package